Hello everyone. Uh, let's start day 4 of the functional training. And today's topic is to show you how we can set up the marketing activities in Odoo 9. There are a lot of things that we can configure. I will start with mostly the website, how we can configure the marketing activities on the website, how we can achieve the more customer prospect, convert them to customer, and how we can increase the revenue. Then how we can collaborate the content on our website, documentation and question answer. So there are a lot of things that we have to discuss today. So let's start with what is marketing. So marketing is nothing but define the strategy, then to attract the more visitor, and our goal is to convert those visitors into leads and then customers, and then manage the customer activity, which is the actual goal of the modern companies. The goal of the modern companies are to track that where they invest in the marketing and what are the revenues they generated based on the marketing activities. So what exactly they need is to track from investing into marketing and to revenue generation activities. So I will show you how we can do the same in Odoo, that once you invest in marketing campaign or marketing activities, you can track that what are the revenues generated from the marketing activities. So let's start. The first topic is to how we can build a beautiful and good website as a part of the marketing campaign. Here, let me do the website of, let's say, I will do the website of odoo.com, something like Odoo. I've downloaded a few images, so let me use the same. Say, and put the background. Your front page of the website is really important to attract the customer, visitor. Let's say start free trial, something like this. And I would like to create a button, so let's say button size is a bit large, and let's say I would like to create a new URL which is start. Maybe I will create when I do a module of so you see that when I select image, it automatically offers me the options to change the image. The new thing in Odoo 9, what we improve is the SEO part. Now you can put alter text on the image as well. So let's say create your website with Odoo CMS. I'll put this. Let's say I will change the title to, I will put the same title, create a website, Odoo CMS, and let's change the font size and color, and you can see that how quickly I make my beautiful front page. We can add few more content easily, and later on we can change the details, but I will show you how we can quickly build a website like Odoo. So you see that there are two options. One is upload an image from your computer, which automatically optimize the image quality. But if you would like to have the original quality of the image, you say upload image without optimization. So I will use the same option, and let's say resize, and say save. Even you can change the footer option. By default, Odoo offers automatic footer. If you would like to create your own custom footer, you can say automatic footer to have a different options than the standard one. And here you can straight away change the footer option. Like say I would like to have a 4-column footer, so I will create subtitle 4. So now I have a 4-column footer. I will show you one more trick. Like say for example, most of the time we have a underline for the titles, subtitles. So how you can insert underline. uh, if you use this separator, it's a standard one which is a full separator on the page, but I will show you how you can create this separator while editing the website. Just press a control button and say enter. So control enter, control enter, enter, and I created a separator for my titles. So there are a few things which are tricky that you can use at the time of editing the website. Okay, so once I made a good website, I can I would like to promote this website to my to the Google to have a search engine optimization. So if people search for some keyword that I am going to define now, they will easily find Odoo website quickly on the top. So I will show you how we can do SEO optimization for my website. So it's really important things, like say go to promote and click on say optimize SEO. So here you can define maximum 10 keywords for your page, and even you can choose the language too. If you have a website in a multiple language, say for example by default I have a website in English, so I can define a keyword for English. Let's say open ERP, and you can see that it's suggest a keyword based on the keyword you have entered. Say Odoo, then CMS, I will say CRM, then uh, point of sale, partners, event, documentation, right? So there are a lot of things that we can define in terms of let's say marketing. So you just choose the word and it will be added as a keyword. So you can choose a 10 keyword for your website. And now it's time to write a good title of my page which use the same, more or less the same keyword which I have defined. Like say, okay, it's better to add open source in my keyword, open source. So you see the, okay, now you see that I reached the limit, so I cannot add more keywords. Let's say open source application for your business. So depending on the content you I written, it shows the highlighted keyword. Same way, I have to write a good description for my page. So we'll say open source apps for sales, marketing, CMS, point of sale, and you can see that it's highlight the keyword one by one. It's a bit slow. You can contact partners for the implementation. So you can see it shows you the preview that how it looks in the Google when it's appear in the search. And you can see that I cover almost all the keywords which I have defined in my page. It's super slow. Open source, it's okay. And say save. So now you can see that it shows you a good preview that how it when it appears in search, how it looks like. Open source business app. Let's say I will put one separator and say Odoo. And save. So now you can see that my website title, it's having a good title, and if I look at the say in inspect element, or maybe no, it's better to just look at the view page source. So here you can see that it creates automatically keyword and yes, but it's not appear here. I need to be in the logout, and then it will be appear in the logout. So when Google index my page, Google will get the information from the page source, which is look like this. So description, it's like the description I have written. Keywords generator, which is open Odoo, and title, which is title of my page. So you can see that this is how you can optimize the make a SEO friendly web page in Odoo. And it's not only for the one page, which is an index page. You can do a SEO keyword optimization for every page in Odoo, which is a standard functionality of the Odoo CMS. So I will show you where you can do a SEO too. You can jump to the page, and if you look at the option called SEO optimization, you can do SEO on that page. So let's say, for example, go to contact us. Let's say promote, and here you can get the optimization too. Let's say, for example, I will install one more app, which is say I would like to promote my job position on the website. So whenever I make an announcement for the new job, it will be available online on the website, and I would like to promote those jobs to SEO. So it's not restricted for any static page. Even you can do a SEO for all the pages, either it's a static or dynamically created from the website. So you can promote your product, your online job documentation, your content. Every single page on Odoo, it's you can promote for the SEO. So let's do job SEO optimization for the job page, and then I will show you how you can write a content on your website, which is most important, which is a blog post or news or a content related to your business process or anything, or a news about your business. So you can create multiple categories of the blogs, and I will show you how you can manage it efficiently. So let it be installed online job, and we will create a new job position, or maybe I think it's already available. Okay, if okay, I think it's installed. So let's go to let it be redirect automatically. Okay, jobs. So here you can see that a new page which is a jobs, it's created automatically. So you can promote two different things, either your job page straight away or a individual job which you have created. Say for example, my position, which is experience developer, you can say promote optimize for SEO and say developer Odoo apps documentation, uh, Python, HTML, or let's say web, CSS, JS. So you can add almost all the relevant keyword for your job position, and then you should write a good title and description for your page, so it will be appear it will get more recognition in the while doing the indexing by the Google. Right, so you can promote two different things, either a job page, which is this one, where you can define like keywords like say developer, marketing manager, consultant, trainee, executive officer, or something like this. So it's something you have to choose, that which is the more frequent search keyword on the Google, and then you can use those keyword on your website. So this is all about promoting my page. Uh, there are another things that is a service offered by the Odoo in terms of AdWord campaign, that you can use it. I will show you. It's called Spike, where you can define your goal and your budget, and you can achieve the number of increase the number of users visitors on your website by a paid marketing campaign, which is offered by Odoo, a paid service called AdSpike. Okay, then let's go to the most important part of the website, or of course it's important, which is a content of your website, which generates a section called news or blog post or something like this. So let's jump to blog, and here you can see that I've already installed the blog, but still you can customize the blog page. I will show you how you can optimize the blogs too. Most of the time when you start writing the blog, it's better to add a text like this, and these tags comes from the SEO part. So let's go to say promote SEO, and here you can see that I installed the Odoo and email. There are two things, and the same I can see. Just go to say blog, and if you remove the last one, which is the current section of the blog, you can see all the blog posts which is written, including the text. You can see here, integrate your CMS and e-commerce. There is no text, so it's better to define a keyword which will help me to promote my blog post, news. uh, this page is generated automatically. It's not visible to the end user. Yes, this banner is not visible to end user, but this page is visible to end user just to check the latest news from all the sections. So how you can create different sections of blog news. Say for example, I have a blog, I would like to create one more which is say news. So in order to do that, let's go to but before that, okay, let me show you how we can publish a new blog. So for in order to publish a new blog, you should go to content and say new blog post, and here you should uh, hello world, first blog to my website, and you can define a cover image for your website. Let's put this one, and I think here you can have more options to make the cover image more beautiful. Like say you can define the size, full or narrow. Let's keep full. You can change the color, blue, yellow. So you see it's change the it make one more layer of the color on the image. So even my image is brown color, you can convert it to green color. Then you can change the opacity by let's keep none. It looks because my title looks good on this image. Then I can change the color, and if you don't need a cover image, say no cover, it works. Then it's more or less like editing the website. You see everything, like you can take any blog content and you can start editing, or maybe you can start editing the content directly here. The good thing is you can still have options to modify the text size, and like say I would like to have a real blog post which is narrow. I will show you how we can add the image in the blog. So let's say for example I would like to add the image, so keep my cursor here, and let's say add picture. Let's say I would like to add a picture which is this. Create your website. Few minutes. So I'm writing a blog. So it's like you are working with the Word document, which you can easily edit, like formatting or anything. You can change on the fly quickly. Even you can change the size of the image also. I will show you how you can change the size. Okay, it's here on the top of say 50%, and I would like to have in a center, so it will be in center like I have previously, or you can change the location, say left. So when you write it, text will be on the left too. So you see it's super robust, like you can change, you can make any blog post very quickly on the using Odoo blog application, and say save. And now you can in order to promote this uh, post, you say promote SEO, say Odoo CMS. Sorry, I write CMD, so you can remove the CMS news 9.0 like this, or Odoo 9. So you can put any keyword on this blog post, and if you go to say blogs, here you can see that it's not published but having a keyword. So in order to make it publish, you should go to blog post and say publish. Right? It's just a toggle button, publish unpublish, so you can click on that and you can directly make it publish. Now if you look at the blogs, it says that it's published in our blog section. So I will show you now that how we can create multiple sections on our website. So I would like to have a new section which is news, and I would like to put news under the home page instead of this. In fact, you can change the order of this menu, which is very easy. Let's say go to edit, and it's just drag and drop. So I would like to remove job page from here, presentation from here, just home, contact us and blog, and say save. Right, so this is how you can manage the menus on the website. Then let's go to backend website administration to create a new section in the kind of blog post, but I will call it as a blog company news. So let's go to website administration, say blog and blogs. Here you can see that our blog is just one blog I have created, which is a blog having a name blog. I will create one more which is say company news and say save. And now I can open a company news directly from the front end. When I go to say go to blog, so here by default you redirect to blog post 1, which is our blog. If you want to jump to a new blog, which is this one, you can jump to this, or let's go to blog, and here you can see that all our blogs which is listed here in this section. You can configure or maybe or customize this portion from the blog page, which is say customize. Say I would like to I don't would like to have say tags. I don't would like to have say archive, then say follow us. So you can see that once I toggle the options, it's remove or add the options depending on the my choice. So let's enable all by to have by default all the features of my blog. Then say archive, then say follow us. Okay, so I will enable all the options of my page, blog page, even archive and everything. I'm not sure you can change the position of the content. Like say if someone wants follow us first, then about us. I don't think it's possible. Huh? For that you need to change the from the code itself. So let me add a new menu on under the about section. I will add company news, and I will show you how you can create a link. So let's say company news, and either you can put a link directly from here, or if some pages are already there, you can say you can search for the pages company news. So you can see that there is one URL which is blog company news 2. So I will select this and say save. It's okay. So I have company news. I've created a link. Say save, and now I can jump to a company news directly. So I don't think now we need uh, our blog section on my website, because now I have a dedicated link for say blog and company news available to everyone. Okay, now I will show you how, because when you are working with blog, it's better to have a comment on the blog, or maybe we can restrict the comment. So how you can enable disable this feature. So let's go to blog, and the blog we just published, which is hello world. Here under the customization you can have a option, you can see. So the first option, which is you would like to breadcrumb or not. Let's put breadcrumb and see what happens. So here you can see that I am watching hello world under our blogs section. If you like to have multiple uh, bl- blocks, you can put this breadcrumb to understand the user in better way. But I don't think we need this option, so I will disable this. And here you can see that I just have a post, and then I cannot make a comment or anything. So I will show you how you can enable the comment. So allow post blog post comment. So now you can see that we have a comment box, and I can make a comment on the post. Say send. So you see it's super fast. It's post comment on the website, but it will be done by only by the registered user. Even sometimes you need to have a comment on dedicated line. So I will show you our paragraph. I will show you how you can add a comment on the paragraph. So for that we have a different option called allow comment in text. So you can select allow comment in text, and once you enable this option, you can select the line, or maybe just on every line or paragraph you can see that you have an option called the plus. So I can make a comment on line and say post. So you see on every, even I think we can have a uh, comment on every line or paragraph and say post. And you see you can easily understand that where you have a comment. So even it's one more way to have a good comment on your blog post. And all these comments will be taken by the Google for the SEO optimization. Then maybe you can allow user to post the tweets by selecting some of the lines from your blog post. I will show you how you can do that. So let's say content, sorry, customize, and you can see select to tweet. So when you select, it will automatically ask you to publish a tweet based on the selection. So let's say create your website in minutes. You see I select, and I have a tweet option. So once I click, it automatically creates a good text with links and everything, and it's ready for the tweet. So it's one more way to share your blog by a specific line or anything to the tweets. And you can see that on the comment part, you can see all the comment, either the comment made on a blog post or comment made on a line or paragraph. You see everything is merged into the comments, and that's why it's easier for the Google to take this comment for the SEO optimization. So this was all about working with the blog post. right? You can jump to a blog by different menus from year and year, company news and normal blogs. So let's come to my website. Uh, then share pages. We have seen yesterday, but it's more important to understand. Say, for example, I would like to promote this page into to social media or maybe on my newsletter or anywhere. So I would like to have a shortened link for this, which I can analyze later. That which email or social media campaign bring us more traffic. What we have seen yesterday, but let me show you how you can install and so let's say install app and let's go to link which is a website link tracker. So I will install a website link tracker. It's already installed and okay, let's go to website, and now it's enabled for every page in Odoo website. So you can have a dedicated link for every website. Let's say I would like to promote my own page. So let's say promote, share this page. And as like I discussed yesterday, you can select a campaign. So let's say it's a Christmas special under the Google AdWords and say generate link. The good thing about link tracker is you can have a link. You can change the random link to something like say Odoo 9 is here. So you can say that okay, you can share Odoo 9 is here to anyone, and it will automatically redirect to the one which we need. So let's say copy this, and when I say Odoo 9 is here, it's automatically redirect to the same page which is my own page, which linked internally. It's problem because I'm on localhost. Okay, let me show you 192.168.99.30, which is my internal IP address. So I have to log in again, and this module works only if you are on the real IP with real domain name. At least you should be on a real IP. Yeah? So let's say I would like to have this page, Christmas Google, and say generate. And if you have used the Odoo 9 is here keyword once, you cannot use the same keyword again. So it's okay for me. Let's say copy and let's try to open. Now it should work. You see, so it's working on the real IP, and now you can see that it's Google AdWords, which is a UTM medium, and campaign, which is a source. And I don't think it will count the number of clicks. Okay, it's count the number of clicks. So let me try to open it again, and it should be 2, or maybe no, because once it counts, it keeps the history in the cache. So I think it's good. Okay, So it's good. So now whenever you invest in the marketing campaign, it's better to have a unique link for each campaign, and using that you can track your revenue. Then it's better to have a good landing page of your product. Say for example our product is Odoo CMS. I will straight away say okay, start free trial, and which offers a free trial instance creation page here. So you should create a page like this, which is usually talk about your product than the CMS features. Then okay, I will show you how you can activate the newsletter, which is again the most important part. Like those who are interested into news or something relevant information, they can opt for the newsletter sign up, and as and when you release a new feature or you do a new activity, you can send them by a news by email. So let's say edit. uh, okay, I think I need to install the module first, so let's go and install the module first. Say customize, install apps, and news. So let's say no, it's mass mailing campaign, I think, and website mass mailing. No, it's something called website email or something like this. Yes, mailing list archive. So it's the correct module that I've installed. So let me install this module. I think this module installed the mass mailing campaign, or maybe website mail or something like this. So let's go to website, and now I think I should have a new menu on the website home page. Okay, let me check whether we have that. Okay, we have. So what I am looking for is the discussion group, which is nothing but the we can use in multiple ways. Let's say I would like to promote, say instead of discussion group, I will change the name, which is a newsletter. News, latest news, something like this. So either they can start with free trial, or they can opt for the news if they are interested. Then I will show you how you can change the blog to latest news. So let's go to website admin, I guess, and from here no, I made a mistake. It's in the discussion group. So here channel was discussion group, this one. So let's go to setting, and then you can say company news, and everyone email. I don't want to have an email from them, but I would like to have an email to from the company. So I will keep the same option, and now the name is changed from discussion group to company news. You see, and it's reflect on the website. So which is a discussion group, more or less the mailing list. I will show you one more way to ask to join the mailing list by pop-up. For that, you have to install an application called mass mailing. It's here. So let's install mass mailing campaign. So it's two different things. Like discussion group, you can have a website email, which is more or less like a mailing list, and mass mailing, which is equivalent to a newsletter. So you can anyone depending on your choice. So let's go to configuration. Mass mailing and mailing list. You can see that I have two mailing lists. One is newsletter and imported contact. So let's go to website. Let me try. So now you have a newsletter. You see it. So I made a mistake previously. Sorry. So it's better to have a newsletter like this, and then you can choose which newsletter people will be subscribed. So when they fill email and say newsletter, so say subscribe, they will be subscribed to newsletter mailing list. Okay, now it's okay. And say save. So if you are login user, you can see your email is automatically acquired by the website. If you are not login user, like public user, you ask to enter the email address, and then you can do subscribe to the newsletter. So now you can see you can subscribe, like say mga.odoo.com, and let's say subscribe. So thank you for your subscription, and it's done. Let's say sign in, admin, username, password, and let's say website. Let's go to mass mailing, and let's see that whether MGA is subscribed to a newsletter or not. So there is one recipient. Okay. So you can see that one recipient which is subscribed automatically. Sometimes you can use the same feature, letter feature, to make some pop-up during the user visit your website, like home page or say your company news or somewhere, and then you can ask them to subscribe by making a pop-up things. So I will show you how you can do this. I think it's configuration, settings, and say here, yes, website pop-up. So you say allow the user of the pop-up snippet on the website to encourage visitor to sign up for the mass mailing list or your company newsletter. So I enable the option. Let's go to mass mailing list and newsletter, and now you can see that you can design the pop-up by yourself. I will keep the same for the moment, just to use the good option. So it's a business hack to boost your marketing, which is a kind of newsletter list. I would like to have this list to be displayed on, let's say, local host, and when someone start looking at the blog, I will make a pop-up for the newsletter. So let's edit, and here you should put on website pop-up redirect URL. No, it's something when you subscribe, when you have to redirect, I think it's like this. And when where you want to display, it's something you have to decide. Say click on edit, and you should have something here called, yes, newsletter pop-up. So it's, I think it's a hidden option, so you can put it anywhere, it's okay. And the pop-up will be displayed, and when you subscribe, you will be subscribed to newsletter, and you can edit the dialog content from, okay. So I think this, yes, it's here, you see, it's how but it will be displayed only once, because it track the history of displayed or not in the cache. So if you would like to have the same pop-up again, you have to clear the cache, and then you have to reload the page. If you once subscribe, like you redirect it to one page, which is not good, you should be on the same page, so it's no need to redirect the anything. But this is one more way to interact with your online visitor, to ask them, to encourage them to subscribe to your company news, or maybe any news you would like to publish. So it's all about news later. One more important page of our website, which is contact us page. So I will show you how you can design the you can have a good contact us page on the website. Let's go to contact us. By default, your button, but just by installing one app, you can have a very good contact us page on your website. So let's go to customize, install apps, and there is a apps called contact us contact form, which will generate the leads from your contact us page, which is most important because it generates it converts user into leads. This is the most important page. I will show you one more way where you can have a real custom contact us page, which is not the standard one, and then you can generate the leads based on that. So you can see that I have a very good contact us page now, like we did yesterday. uh, let's do one more example. Put the contact number, mg@odoo.com, company name Odoo, subject looking for website and online store, and send. So once you send, it goes to redirect to a new page, which is thanks email, thanks mail, thanks page, and in the backend it creates a lead under the direct sales team. Let's say for example, instead of this default behavior, you would like to have a behavior where you would like to have all the leads should be created in a website sales team. I will show you how you can do that. So you see, looking for a website which is a lead created from the front end, from the website. In order to have a custom form, let's go to apps, install a form builder, and one more thing you have to configure, which is the alias of the sales team. What we did yesterday is just changing the current contact us form. I will show you how we can have completely a custom form which is not linked to any field of the lead or opportunity. Or let's say for example, you when you when you uh, have the sign up page. Let's say for example, I have to create sign up page, and before sign up I would like to ask some information, and based on that information I will create a lead into my system. So let's create a new page first. Let's say new page. Let's say sign up, which is a page, and I don't need a menu. Let's create, but it's better to remember the page name, so I will copy the URL. Okay, and here I will put a form builder, which is this one, and I will not create a lead or job. I will simply say send an email. Your thank you page should be my actual sign up page. So final sign up, and recipient mail is something like website at or let's say for the moment say usually this email should redirect to one of your alias. So when you receive the alias, like when you receive an email in your Odoo, it will automatically create the lead or opportunity in the system. So uh, to have a real-time example, I will use my instance which I have created, training 001.odoo.com, and we will create a new lead in this alias. So let's say sign in. Actually everything should be on the same instance, but in my local I don't have configured email, so just to demonstrate I am using this instance. So I will log in. Okay, so I will use, let's say, sales at training 001.odoo.com. Let's verify first, because I don't remember what alias we have on that instance. So let's go to sales. And I think let's say configuration settings. Okay, I will use info at this address. So instead of this I will say info at training 001.odoo.com and say save. Okay, so let me add a first field, which is text field, name, which is a name of your name. Then add a new field which is say I would like to have selection, say company size, and I will change the option less than 5 employee, 5 to 10 employees, uh, 10 to 100 employees, something like this. Maybe you can add a new option just by no, not enter, just say copy and more than 100 employees. And I will ask two more information, which is say text, contact number, and one more, which is email address. Right, so this is my contact, my generic form, which is not linked to any object, but it will ultimately create a leads before people sign up for the new instance. And I can make a good page, like say for example, let me show you how you can add more effects to the page. So in order to add effect, let's say where is parallax, so add parallax like this. Under that I will add content, which is this, like this, bigger. I will change the image, say this one, a parallax page background I will change to something good, and I will resize the content to have a beautiful page. Undo. Let's say I will make it white to have good visibility. And for the parallax, you can change the custom scroll. I will say fixed, so it will give me a good effect of the image and having a content on the top. Still, I need to remove the effect from the image, which is this one. So you see, this is how you can create a very good page which will generate leads from for you. So let's try. Say Mantavya, but before that let's go to sales and lead, because it creates lead, I think, each time it's. And currently I have only one lead which is looking for e-commerce. Let's say less than 5 to 10 employees, contact number 94 blah blah blah, ga@odoo.com, and say send. I have a doubt because yes, I have not configured the send mail correctly. So let's go and check settings, and to general settings and say outgoing email. So here it's localhost. I don't remember the configuration, but let me try. mail.openerp.com 25 tls g8. It's my password. Hope it works. Okay, it works. say save, and now I think it will send an email. So let's go to website, and I will change the link on free trial to have a good link. I will say sign, no, it's not web sign up, it's a page slash sign up. It was something like this. Okay, let me put slash page slash sign up. Say click page. So I think I forget the sign up page now. I okay. Okay, I think I made a mistake. It's SUG and okay, SUG. It was this page. So let's say sign up, free trial, and now we have a very good page. Let's say yeah, 10 to 100, contact number, g@odoo.com, and let's say send. So I hope it's sent now. If the email is sent correctly, we should get the lead here. So I'm not sure whether my email is working correctly, but I hope you understand what I want to explain. That you can create any record in the system which is linked with the alias. You just need to put email address for that alias when you are designing the page, and the record will be created in your system automatically without having a link between your website and your model. You can just have all the information from your based on your content, which goes to text field of your the targeted model in Odoo. No, I think the email is not sent correctly. That's the problem. Okay, so this is how you can change the contact us page, or even you can design any page which generates the lead from your any website page. It can be any process. It can be a sign up or newsletter or anything. Anywhere you can create a lead or opportunity, and then you can start working on that. Okay. Then you can track your visitor, and you can propose them help on the fly when a visitor is visiting your website. In Odoo, we have a module called live chat. I will show you. Using that, you can enable the live chat for your and visitor. So let's say live chat. Okay, Odoo live support. I think no, website live support. It's this one. So click on install. and you can see that your two different live set, which is your website .com and your website with odoo.com. So you can create multiple channels. uh, let's say channels. I will create a new channel for my website, which is say localhost, and all the users who want to become the operator, they say they can join the channel, right? Or even you can add the operators too from here, huh? So let me add say demo portal and this as operator. So whoever is free, they will get the pop-up in the Odoo to help user on the fly. Then first message, which is welcome message, I would like to change. Hello, how may I help you? The text of the button, I have a question, or let's say just chat with us. Text input, it's okay. Save, and let's say publish. Okay, so this is publish, and you can see that you already have a button on the website. I think it will be visible everywhere. You see none of the collaborator is online. None of the collaborator seems to be available. Please try again later, which is JavaScript pop-up. And I think this comes from the one which is already there. I think this one. It comes from this one. Yes. Edit. I will. I don't know how to remove this. Mm, no. Here you can configure the rules that when you would like to have auto pop-up or something like this. Discard, published, not published. This is only the one which is published, and I am live chat support 3, which is the URL. So remaining I will delete straight away because I don't want it. What I did, I created okay, delete. Localhost I want, so I just need only one, which is localhost. And let's go to website, and then we should have a button which is chat with us. No, I think I made a mistake in configuration. Edit, let's say display button when you are on by default, let's say on home page. Even you can put filters for the country also, like say if it is India or something, then only you will display the pop-up or something. So save and close. Now it should display the pop-up button. This no. Okay, let's say, let me try. When you are on contact us page, if we are live, we can straight away ask them that okay, you can chat with us. Say edit. So URL is this. We can say, or let's say auto pop up in 1 second. publish on the website. So let's go to contact us page, and now it should display a pop-up in 1 second. No, I think there is a problem. Otherwise it should work like this based on our configuration. Or let me try the final one. I don't think we need to add the URL by ourselves, but let me try. Say you have to copy and paste this code to the page. I don't think I have to copy paste, but let me try. It should be done automatically. So let's go to contact us page, and I will show you how you can change the content of the HTML page without going into the code. But you have possibility to change the code from here, which is a HTML editor, and let me add, okay, here. Now let me go to my main website, and I will add it here because it's available on all the pages, and now it should be available to yes, it's 10. Yeah, it should be done automatically. I no need to do it by myself. So let's go to contact us page, and it should pop up automatically now. No, still there is a problem, but I can say yes. Okay, in other window I have to be available as operator, otherwise I cannot chat. It will understand that no operator is available for the live chat. Save web. I think I'll break something. Yes, I'll break something. I'll break everything. So make sure that if you don't understand, you don't change the HTML content, otherwise you will break everything. Wow. Okay, operator seems available, and that's why it's pop up. Say hello. So you see both side administrator is available. It's gone. No problem. I will fix the issue. Till that, let us take a break for 10 minutes. Till that, I will fix the issue, and then we will meet again in 10 minutes. Till that, I will put this session in the on hold. I will simply I think you didn't get my voice previously, huh? Okay, I will show you again. Yes, yes, I understand. And now you can have a sound. By mistake, I disabled the sound. Now it's enabled. So once you get the sound, just tell me. So I will explain the feature again. Uh, let's say I am on the visitor. As a visitor, I am on the contact us page, and instead of sending email, I will use the live chat module to discuss with my visitor straight away. Let's go to live chat, say edit, and let's say when I'm on pop-up, when I'm on contact us page, after 2 seconds, do the pop-up. Let's say save, save, and let's say for example I just reload the page as a visitor, and I think there is a problem with the pop-up, but let's click on say a question, chat with us. No, it's stored the history in the I don't know how to do this because okay, let's say clear the history. So I'll just clear the history because it stored everything in the session. So let's say reload. I think I need to log in this window again. Good. So let's click on our chat. No, it doesn't clear the history. Delete. Okay, clear the browsing data. Okay, so here I have chat window. Let's say on contact us, it should pop up automatically on 2 seconds or 3 seconds, which I configured, but I think it's not working correctly. Otherwise, it should have say admin. So let's go to live chat. I think this is what I have configured incorrect. Auto pop-up, I think it's not working on here. So let's go to home page. Say I have a question. So I have a question, and you can see that I don't know why it takes demo data. It should take. It's okay. I will log in with demo. Let's say join. Okay, this is what the problem I think. And I will remove edit. I will remove the demo from. So okay, now I'm only the one user available as operator. So now all the chat should comes to me. Super complex. It's not easy. Clear browsing data. Everything is clear because everything is stored in the cache. So if I get administrator, now it's correct. Let's say login again because I cleared the cache as admin. And when you say hello, administrator should get notified in his instance as hello. And now say What are you looking for? And you can see that it's real-time chat they have in between. I will change the window so that you can see the real-time chat. uh, I am looking for my own CMS, and gets the message in the back. We can reply, okay, you can go to some page and I can put a link or something like this. So you see that how quickly we can discuss with our website visitor and capture the lead into our system. So if I feel that okay, it's a valuable visitor, we can ask for contact information. Even the same chat you can get under say discuss and live chat. You see it's a visitor and administrator. So here you can see and once the visitor close the chat, it asks for the feedback that what's your feeling about our support operator. So I will say it's good, and I think yes, I've rated uh, you with good. So you can see that we can have a real-time feedback on the live chat as well. So next time if I have same kind of questions or I will do a repetition of the answer every time with the good feedback. So this is how you can directly interact with your website visitor through a live chat uh, module. I think the only thing which is not working here, which is auto pop-up. It should pop up automatically. You no need to let me try. One, two, no. So it's not working. It's fine. Yes, I want to re-log in. So let's move forward. Nga at com. Password. So our next topic in the marketing session, how we can use other apps to do the marketing activity, like we are organizing an event, or let's say we have a lot of content that we would like to publish on our website. Then we can how we can organize the question answer session in real time on the website, like forum. So let's say the next topic is events. How we can organize the events on using the Odoo event module, and how we can get registrations, either it's a free or paid, and how we can promote the sponsors, how we can ask for the agenda, track proposals, and make an agenda based on that, and I will show you in a few minutes. So in order to enable the event feature, you have to install a module called, so when you search for event, there are a lot of event modules. It depends on how you would like to use. Some modules which help you to use event just in the backend. Some modules will help you to make an event, publish on the website, then registration, even ticket selling and everything. So I will install a module which is an online event. Can someone confirm now you have a good sound? I think it's okay now. Huh? It's working. So let's say I've installed event module. Yes, this presentation will be available to everyone if they want. It's okay. For me, it's okay. I will send presentation to everyone. Uh, so you can see that I have a new module, new apps installed, which is say event. Say where I can have a few events. Let's jump to Open Days in Los Angeles, and you can see this event is linked to a website, and that's why I can see publish on website button. So let's see how it looks on the website. Okay, so this is how my event look like. On the top I have a menu, then it's the title of my event, then we have a type of tickets for the registration. By default we have free. Then there is a content of the event on the left, and on the right I have address, time, who is the organizer, and data related to social stream like subscribe, unsubscribe, and hashtag to publish on the Twitter. So let's host a new event, which is a training, online training of Odoo, online functional training. The one we are doing right now. Let's say create, and I will show you. I will explain you all the options so that you can understand it easiest way. So let's say online, Odoo online functional training. There are two ways. Either you create an event from the backend, or you go to front end, which is a website, content, and new event. So let's say Odoo online functional training 10 days, and let's say continue. So it will create a new page and it will redirect me to the correct page. By default what I get is the free ticket menu on the top, that it's all event in the United States. By default it gives me the company address. I can search for any address. Let's say it's my company address, it's this one. So you can even change the address on the fly. Let's say if you want to organize the event at some customer place, let's say think big, and it will change the address. So you see everything you can manage from the front end. You don't need to jump between back end and front end to change many information. Here you can put the timings, then who is the organizer. It's just a contact you can select, and you can change the organizer. So let's say for example it's event organized by some partner or customer, organized at our place. We can change the detail and social stream. Then it's better to design our event page to provide lot of information for the visitors. So let's say I will put event detail. No, it's not good. Let's say I will put this here, then this one, then like this. Then I will put some FAQ about the event. So you see that I will design an event. Let's say HR application, then point of sale application, and so on, right? and say save. So I will just create an event which is not published yet. I can see that it's not published. I can publish by toggle, but before that I would like to review everything, content, tickets. So by default you can see that your free registration of type event subscription. When you are working with event, there are a lot of things to take care, like when someone registers, what are the capacity, that how many people you can accommodate. Depending on that, you should configure the event in detail. Then if it is free or paid, or like say you would like to put a restriction, so I will show you how you can do a detailed configuration related to the restrictions of the participant and other things. Same way, say for example, the price is not free, if it is paid, then how you can encode the sales of ticket. So in order to do that, let's go to edit, where we will directly jump to the backend event detailed configuration, where we can configure a lot of things. Say edit. So here you can see that either you have two options, unlimited or limited or unlimited event. So I will put say unlimited. So minimum attendees, let's say 10, and maximum we have possibility like the place where we can accommodate 1000 people for the event. Right. By default it's a physical event. Because I have placed location. Say for example, if I remove the location, let's see what happens. So organizer and hashtag, let's say Odoo 9, and I think I need to put a few more category, which is say seminar, and it's okay. So save. Let's go to website, and I think it will become a online event now. So just to check all event whether it's online. Yes, it's online, you see. So if you don't define event location, by default it becomes online, and if you define a location, it's become on site. So you see, you don't have address now. So detailed configuration we can do it from the event backend part. So now let's say edit, and I would like to have on site, so it's my company address. And here you can see that I don't have a possibility to define the tickets, paid tickets, because I haven't installed the related modules. Let's install the related modules. Let's say I would like to allow selling the tickets. Say okay. uh, Say apply. Few things we will check later. Like how you can have a complex event like what we did at Odoo in terms of open days, where we have agendas, then tracks. We can even put a survey on the subscription. Even we can send automatic email once the people subscribe. So we can do a lot of steps on the event. So let it install, because it's installed a lot of other modules. It installs sales, I think e-commerce, because we need to have a checkout process. We need to have a ticket checkout process, and then I will show you how you can create badges the one we have created at the time of having an event in India, or even we do the same in open days. Everything is automated. You can do badge printing and everything from the even designing. You can design a badge in the Odoo itself, just like designing a website. So let it install, and then I will show you in detail. It takes a lot of time. Okay, it install accounting, that's why. And as I'm using the demo data, it will install a lot of data as well. So if you have any question related to any thing like this training, don't hesitate to send email at India this training at my.odoo.com, something like this. I don't remember the exact address. Yes, it's India this training at mail.odoo.com. So you should send an email to that address, and we will reply all the questions related to training, any functional question to the related to the training, to reply by email to you. I hope it finished quickly. Okay, so it start installing event sale module, which is the core module to sell the tickets. Okay. I hope yes, it's done now. So you can see that it installed all the modules, and now I say apply, and it will redirect me to the event list page, I guess. It's okay, events. So technique, no, functional training 10 days, and now you can see that the options has been changed. Instead of free subscription, now you can put tickets to sell, but it can be unlimited or limited. Let's put unlimited. So by default you see that two options are selected: a name of the ticket, related product. So when someone buy this ticket, it will offer event subscription, which is the product. When we will stop selling the ticket, so it depends on the event start date and end date. Let's say event start by 4th of January and stop by 8 no 4th January to 15th of January. and I would like to stop selling a ticket by 3rd of January, and the price, which is say 10,000, or let's say 1,000, because I think the company currency is US dollar, and maximum tickets of this type. So let's say we have 1,000 tickets, reserved, no reserved tickets, friend. So now we are ready to sell the tickets on the events. So let's go to this, and you can see that event subscription, which is no, it should not be free. Now it should be so maximum, let's say 1,000, minimum 10, and save. No, it should not be free. I don't know why it's free. Say publish. Okay, let's publish the event and then try to check. No, it should not be free. Okay, let's try. Let's buy 2 ticket, register. So it will ask you for the attendee's name. Let's say one at odoo.com, 2 odoo.com, and say continue, and it will initiate the selling process if we have a live event. But it's just say that okay, your confirmation is done, and this is your confirmation reference number 2. Let's go to event, say edit, mm, mm, price, everything seems correct. Let's say I will add 2 different type of ticket just to check. VIP, or maybe no, I think I should create a new event, because say duplicate, and previous event I will make it cancel, so it's automatically done, so no problem. So let's go to this, and now we should have this ticket in the sale. Wow, sometimes it's behave strange. There is no any complex logic to have yes, event subscription, order quantity, everything works fine. Okay, I think it's due to this. Let me check. I'm not sure. No. Say edit. Price, maximum seats 1,000. Strange. I don't know how to let's say, let me remove this, let's say sell and never, price 1000 euro and 100 as save, check event. Wow. Okay, is there any configuration here? No. Footer, no. Let me try if it VIP ticket, it's 115, standard ticket which is 1000, and we have standard 400 tickets, so in total I have 500 as capacity. Let's say save, everything looks fine. Let's say, and if I have free, it means I think I forget to install some module. Let's check. Let's troubleshoot the configuration. Okay, online event ticket. It's super complex, because it's modular. You should understand which module does what, and you have to install the module accordingly. Yes, FedEx configuration is remained yesterday. Even I checked today, it's not giving the correct price. So I will check in maybe 1 or 2 days, and when it will working, I will give you the demonstration. Maybe because the FedEx configuration is used by thousands of the people, the same API key, and that's why we have a problem. I hope it works now. Let's go to event. Let's say 10 days of event. Yes, it's working. So let's go to edit. Edit. So detailed configuration. So you see that how we can have multiple types of tickets on the same event, and each ticket type I can define the end date for the sales. Like say it's unlimited, but let's say I would like to put early bird ticket, and let's say it's 750, and if you register yourself by up to 30th of this month, and or maybe 30th of this month, or let's say only first 100 tickets. So you see that you can put different conditions for the registration of the tickets, like early bird VIP ticket. So you just up price if you do a quick registration. It's just cross-selling. So let's say buy ticket. say Mantavia ng@google.com, ajay@google.com, and say continue. So you see that it started the checkout process where I have to install my address, city, country, and say confirm. Phone number is required. So you can enable any payment method and you can get the online payment for the ticket. And you don't need a delivery because it's just a service kind of product, not a stockable product. So for the event, I just print this report and I can keep with me, so that at the time of registration, at the time of the ticket confirmation, I can use this document to get the pass. So you see, I get a early bird ticket free, and let's check what happens in the event. So you have two participants, I guess four, huh? Two, no, only two, yes. So you have two participants in the event, and they are unconfirmed because you still waiting for the payment from them. Once you get the payment confirmation on order number, let's say confirm the order. So there are two event registration. I think both will be confirmed automatically. So create invoice. This process will done automatically once you enable online payment. So register payment by bank, and like you do reconciliation and everything, and it works out of the box. So you say two attendees and it's confirmed. You see, so once you confirm the order, your attendees will confirm automatically. An order will be confirmed automatically once you do a online payment successfully. So this was the complex part of the event, to sell a ticket online. The simplest part, let's go to event and sell a free ticket. So I think you can enable the tickets from here. Let's say edit, and if you don't put any tickets on the event, by default it's a free. So let's say edit, I will remove all the tickets, and by default it's free, I think. So let's go to event. No, yes. Once you install a ticket sell module, it will stop selling a free ticket. So if you would like to offer a free ticket, even while selling some paid ticket to some other events, you should create one ticket which is say free registration, and neighbor price 0, let's say 500, something like this, and save. So this is how even you can configure the free ticket registration, even you have installed the online ticket sale. So let's say one, but it does the full cycle. Odoo.com, like checkout and everything. No, yes. It's good. So if you sell a free ticket, it's just a confirmation which you can take a print and keep it with you for to get the event pass. So it's good. Okay, now how you can ask how you can make an event more complex, like you can have a sponsor, you can have a agenda, you can have a tracks, like multiple tracks, like what we are doing at open days. You can enable all the complex options from the configuration settings. Let's say this, I will enable the agenda. I will say subscription, which is auto confirmation email, and email scheduling to send multiple emails after some interval. So there are a lot of things that you can do with the event. What we are developing now, it's the one you have seen at the training day, Odoo training we did in Ahmedabad, that you can have a barcode based badge which you can scan at the entry point, and you can count that who has attended the event based on the badge. Let it install and I will show you the remaining tickets. Once you put the limit, yes, everything is limit based on limit, so remaining ticket will be displayed. But if you put unlimited, there is no any computation. So let's go to this. Let's say edit. And when you go to event configuration in the backend, edit 500. So you see that reserved seat, which is one. I think only one. No, three. Yes, because I removed the ticket. Okay. Why it's one? Because so out of 500, one is reserved, because previously I had different tickets, which is VIP and other. Two tickets I have bought from that ticket type, and then I changed the ticket to free registration, and then I will buy one ticket. So let me buy one few more ticket, and then it will change the reserve seat. So let's say it's a confirmed, free registration is confirmed. So you can see that one is reserved. You can ask some questions to the attendees when they buy the tickets, like what is your status, as to each attendees. Existing partner, because it's important for us to understand when people are coming to the events that who is the target audience. That partner prospects want to use Odoo, or teacher student, and save. So I will ask one question to all the attendees, those who are coming to the event, and then we will buy few more tickets, and I will show you the status. So let's say two people are going to come. So you see it's ask questions. Let's say Ajay, status, want to use Odoo in my company. Ajay at demo company.com, number Vijay at some company.com, number, and yes, it's executed. Want to use it. Let's say continue. So there are two confirmations that we already did. Let's go to event and go to backend. So 5 expected because 2 I already sold from a different ticket type which I already deleted. That's why see the ticket type is not linked. While with the free I will sell 3 tickets, and due to that I can see that reserve seat which is 3 out of 500. So you can have the status on each ticket type, like say VIP how many remaining, standard how many remaining, a labeled ticket which is sold or not. So that's why you can have the information, and the answers which is filled by the attendees you can get on the attendee information. Let's go to order number 12 because that's the, so you can see that the answer which is given by Ajay, which is want to use Odoo, say want to use Odoo, and in all the attendees you can see that one to use, you can make a filter and you can see that okay, how many people they are coming to our event, those who would like to use Odoo. So you can assign them to your sales team or the direct sales team or someone, those who can start calling him before the event. So this is how you can generate the leads for based on your event participants, right? Okay, let's make this event more complex by adding a dedicated menu. So once you say dedicated menu, you will be asked that okay, you would like to have a tracks on website and track proposal on website or not. So let's say I want everything on website. So save, just like Odoo days. So even you can arrange a conference or a big event where there are a lot of sessions on that. And when you have a conference, you can have a introductory page, which is a dedicated page for the event, which you can design by yourself. Let's say I would create a dedicated page like this, like event photograph, past event photographs, and you can put a lot of other things. So let's say introduction, it is a dedicated page. Then location, so it's event location with the same page. Then registration is the page we have created. Then top, so no track found, but you can ask for the tracks by track proposal. So let's say mga@odoo.com, my phone number, and title is about Odoo CMS. You can put about the author and introduction about the tag with about the track. So submit proposal. So once people submit the proposal to our tracks, you can go to event and you can organize all the tracks by session. You see, you have one track which is available for the scheduling. So you can make that whether it's just proposal you would like to confirm or not. So let's say it's confirmed, and you can put who is responsible for this track proposed by a speaker, when, room. So you can see that you can define the room, some tags, dates for how many hours. So you can put lot of all the relevant information, and depending on that, once you say it's published, it will become it will automatically goes to agenda. You see it's agenda by the this, and proposal, then talks, all the submitted talks and which are approved. Then agenda, you can have agenda like this. Theater, you have by 12:23 you have this talk. So if you have multiple talks, it will create agenda automatically. I will show you how we did for the Odoo.com for the previous year. So mga, my password, and let's enter to Odoo. Let's go to event under the marketing. So marketing event, and let's say open days 2014. No, adjust days. So no, it was experience. It was not this, it was experience. You can see that it's the page from the Odoo experience days, and if I go to the publish page, how it looks like. So this is the introductory page that we have designed. You see it's an introduction page. Sponsors, yes, still we need to I will show you in the same instance. So sponsors, then talk proposals. So here is the talk proposals. Then agenda. So you see that the agenda is created automatically. You see the complex table structure creates automatically. You no need to do it by yourself. You just need to put a correct date and time on the talks, and here are the talks which is approved by the Odoo open days. Still you can see that not published, which it means that it's unapproved. So facts and figures, it's again a new page which is a custom in Odoo.com. Let's go to edit page. Yes, facts and figures. It's statistic about the event because it's already finished, so we can. So let's see the event detail configuration. How many tracks? 220 tracks, 1600 plus attendees, 25 sponsorships. We got scheduled email. You see, after 7 days, 26 days, 2 weeks, 3 days, 1 day, 6 days. It's before and after the event, and here we have our 2 questions we ask. I plan to attend 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, or something like this. So to have a sponsorship, I think in our event we have the sponsor. So let's say sponsor, you can go and create a sponsor. let's say it should be a customer, say Asustek, it's a sponsor website, type it's gold, then China export is again say silver. So this is how we can put an acrylate, which is bronze. Even you can create a new type if you want a type to adapt your own type, and save. And if I go to event page now, I have sponsors listed on my so sponsor is nothing but just a contact. You see our sponsors, this and this, and I think it's visible on every page. So this page I can change, continue, because I don't need this on every page. I just need sponsors on every page. So you see your detailed configuration on each and every page of the event. Each and every page of the event, you can have a detailed configuration, which is exactly the need of the company. Right, so you can have a simple event. Just let's jump to this. So as a summary, you can have a simple event which is just like online event or on-site event. Then you can have a free event, or you can have a different type of registration like early bird ticket, or VIP, or a standard ticket. You can put the end date for each type of sales of the tickets. Then you can ask for the tracks proposal. If it is a big conference, you can generate agenda based on the track which is proposed. You can publish and publish to generate the agenda, and you should put a correct time and date, and the location of the track, and it will generate a good agenda based on all this information. We can have a sponsor information on our event page, which will be displayed on everywhere to promote our event sponsors on track, proposal, registration, location, everywhere. And in the backend, let's go to backend to print the badges. So I will show you how you can generate the badges for the event, so that when people comes, you can give the badge to them. Say edit badge. Okay, I need to allow pop-up, say edit badge, because it's a report. So you see that it's a kind of website edit, where attendee name is the name, ticket type is the type. You can change the event, discard, and I don't know but why I don't have any other information. It should be there, huh? I can drag and drop to many other things. Okay, save. So let's go to our attendees and try to print the badges of each attendees. Usually you have options to add more detail on the badge, like sponsor and other details, like location, sponsor, event type, what is included in the event, instructions of the event, and many other things. So I'll print the badge. Let's open the report, and this is how it looks like. Say Ajay, it's a free registration, then Ajay, then GA, yeah, free. Okay, 2 tickets were empty because I removed the ticket type. That's why I can have a good badge only for the ticket type which is available. Otherwise, it won't print a good badge. Let's try to check for the other events how they look like. One expected attendees. So here we have attendees. Let's try to print if there is more information. No, it's the same. It means that we need to customize the badge by ourselves. Okay, we need to customize the badge by ourselves. It's part of the customization. So I think this is the end of the session, end of the topics, which is events. Now I will show you how we can publish a lot of content on the website in terms of slides. We already did the same on our website, which is odoo.com/slides. It will help you to get a lot of traffic to your website. Say we have public channel, we have partner specific channel, it's not published. Then we have different other channels, but it's not published, it's just for the testing. Then we have one more channel which is a user training. So let's say public channel. It means that you can create a multiple channel on the website, and you can set the visibility of say public, private, employee, or partner, or something like that. And you can see that this is how it looks like. So let's do for our own instance. Let's install a module called slides. So using slide, you can create multiple channels. Either it's a public, private, or semi-private. I will show you what it is. You can categorize the content in the different categories. You can have a different type of content, like video from YouTube. Then you can have a PDF you can upload, or you can have any file you can directly import from your Google Doc. So I will publish two things. Let's say first thing I will publish the same slide which we are using here. Before that, I will make it anyone with link which is public. So if you like to import something from Google Doc, it should be public with access right. Otherwise, it's you cannot get. So here I have three channels, which is a public, partner, and employee. Only two publish, employee is not published. So let's publish the employee one. Let's go to public channel, upload, and either you can upload a PDF or image file from here, or you can put a video or Google Doc URL here. So I would like to I would like to have this slide, this one, to be published on my presentation. So I just say, and you see that how quickly it gets the content, like say name. I can put tags for the letter filter. I can put the category, say featured presentation, online training for 10 days, and either you save as draft, or you can say save and publish. So there are two ways of check and verification process. Like if I'm not authorized user to publish, but I can upload my presentation. Like say we have a scenario like when open days finish, we ask everyone to upload their presentation, and responsible content manager verify all the presentation and publish by himself. So as a user, I can upload and once the it's verified by the content manager, it's verified, and then he published the presentation. I will explain you all the options one by one. First, let it upload the presentation. Actually it's not upload, but it's downloading the presentation from Google Doc. So it's done, and we get downloaded PDF from the Google Doc to our instance, and it will be available here in a few time. So let's say publish. Let's go to featured presentation, and here you can see that 90 it's available. Let's click on that, and it should be available here. Okay, let me try with the localhost. Sometimes we have a problem with JavaScript not loaded, and that's why it's not displaying the. Okay, another thing what we are going to do, we are no admin. So just log in. Let's go to website, and section which is event section, slide section. So presentation, this one. It should load now. Usually it takes time. So what it generates transcript. No, it's changed. Yeah, it should generate a transcript too. Okay, let's go to another presentation which is already published, which is a open source CMS. Okay, it's working. Transcript, so it's automatically generate the transcript like this to have a better SEO data of the page. Then we can put about us, we can share option, even we can embed the presentation, and when you embed you can have the good statistics of the view, like total view including view on website and views in the embed. So everything it computes really in real time, either it's a view or the action, either it's a shared or not, or if share, it's shared how many times, comments, like, dislike, everything is computed in real time. So a slide is a tool which is combination of two things, YouTube and SlideShare. Because it gets the information from different channels, and you can combine all the data into one channel, which is Odoo slide on your website. Let's try to get the video of say yesterday's session, and let's try to publish the video on our website. Let's say I'm logged in, say channel, say upload, and I just put the URL here of the video, so you see that it gets the good information, text, say CMS, marketing, featured presentation, and text, and so save and publish. It does quickly because it has to get only few information. It's no need to upload, download any file, and it's done. I get the video published here, so even I get all the details. like say statistics, how many view on website, how many views on YouTube, then count, share, I can have a comment on the video. And the good thing is you can even promote this page using SEO optimization. So this is all about the end user, like even you can have a categories and everything. So on each channel you have a channel name and categorization by content type, which is a presentation, video, infographics, or if you have a document you can have a document. And each channel you have featured categories like featured presentation, open days. You can have multiple categories depending on the categories you have created. And you can see the first four latest video which is published on the slide, and you can see the remaining videos either by clicking on the title or say see all under this channel, this category. So you can have a breadcrumb on the channel and category, and even by filter by content type and on the top, you see. If you have more videos, let's say go to channel, you go to videos, okay, I think by default it shows 12 video in one page. If you have more than 12 videos, it will do the paging automatically. So you no need to worry about that. If you have more pages, how it works. It does paging automatically. It's already there. Huh? Let's see. So here, let's go to say Odoo experience, which is a category. And if I go below, you can see its paging is there. So if I have more content, it does paging by default. Let's go to slides, which is my root landing page for the slide presentation. Previously I jumped to public. Let's go to partner, and here I have only one presentation. Let's go to employee. I don't have any presentation, so this is how it looks like. It says that review your channel settings to promote your most viewed presentation. So what is a most view what is a promote option? Let's go to channel settings. Edit, and here you can see featured policy, most viewed, and say save. It's already done, but there is no video, so it doesn't display anything. Let's try to publish something. Let's say upload online training. I'm uploading a PDF, and let's see what it does. So here it will be under this category. There is no category in this channel, so I will create a new one. Employee 2015. It's the presentation for them. Let's say save and publish. So it will upload the presentation, and okay, here you see it's uploaded, and now I can move quickly between slides. The good thing about Odoo slides, it's once the presentation downloaded, even if you are offline, it works super fast because it's download the old PDF file, and even you can have a presentation mode, and you can say quickly you can jump between different slides. Just do next previous, and it's super fast. You see, I just click on next, and it start first. It generates a transcript by automatically. You can see for the SEO, once you upload the PDF, So I think previously when I import from Google Doc, I think there is a problem. I just uploaded myself and it works correctly. So let's go to employee channel, and here you can see that on the top my presentation is published automatically because it says that it's the promote option is most viewed. As there is only one PDF and it's most viewed, it's displayed by default on the promotion. Let's go to backend and try to move some presentation to employee to check how it works. So website admin, uh, slides, slides. Let's say Odoo explained. I will move to employee. Then let's say public channel, website builder. I will move to this, and then let's check what is the most viewed presentation on the employee channel. So presentation, slides, you see it's changed automatically. The most viewed presentation becomes featured automatically on this, you see. Let's say change the strategy on the slide channel. No, I don't want to create new, but say employee, and I want to have a most voted, no, I want to most viewed as the featured presentation. And let's say change, and it's changed, you see. So most viewed is this one. Then let's say I want to have a latest published as the featured. So the last published, it's automatically appear on here, which is this one, it's correct. Then no featured presentation. So by default it's just a category, and you can see that no featured presentation. The red box will not be appear to the end user. End user will see a page like this. Then you say, okay, I will promote feature presentation by myself. So if you go to presentations, you see a button on each presentation that which you would like to promote. Say I would like to promote this by myself. So when I click, it's automatically become a feature presentation on that channel. So you see how quickly you can do many things from the front end, like to make a feature presentation manually on each channel. Even you can have multiple channels on the slides. Each channel have a visibility. Now I will show you how the visibility works. So let me access from a different URL, and I will not be logged in on that URL. So let's say log out, and let's go to presentation. So slides, you can see that there are only two channels which is visible: public channel and partner channel. Partner channel having a tag called private channel. So let's jump to public. If I go to public, it's forbidden for the end user. I don't know why. Let's check. Let's say public, edit, security, it's public, public everywhere. So it's correct. It should not be display warning message like this. It should be visible to everyone. It's problem. Let's go to partner channel. Here I can see the presentation, but when I go to presentation, it shows me that this presentation is private. It means that I can view the available presentation in the channel, but I cannot view the details of the presentation, which is a semi-private. It's a restricted channel. The content of the channel is public, but the detail of the channel is not visible to me. While I go to public channel, it's a strange, it should be visible to everyone. Security, uh, show channel, everything. It should display. It's I think there is a small problem in the, because I can see if I go to event, sorry, if I go to say presentation, if I go to presentation, in the most viewed I can see all the presentations from that. So let's say I can jump to any presentation, I can jump to category, you see. But when I come to partner public channel, it's having a problem. I think it's a bug. Otherwise we get all the information like this. So how you can make a channel as public or private channel? Just you need to change the configuration. Let's say employee channel is not displayed here, so it's a completely a private channel and accessible only by the employee. So say for example, if I log in using a demo, I will be able to see the details of all the channel. Say website, say presentation, and you see I can see everything like public channel, yes, partner channel, yes, and presentation, yes, because I'm partner. And one more channel I will be able to see, which is employee channel, because I'm an employee. So let's go to this and click the presentation. Yes, I'm able to see the presentation, you see. So this is how it works. You just need to manage the access right. One more thing you can manage, which is who can upload the presentation, which is upload group. So let's say by default, you see I'm able to see the upload button on employee channel. So employee can upload, but say for example, I would like to have, say, a website administrator can upload the presentation, but employee can see the channel which is private for the employee. So two level of security, like who can upload. So website editor and designer can upload the presentation, and as demo is not website editor, you can see that he cannot see the upload button, but he can see the presentation even if it is private because he is employee. So this is how you can configure the access right, security rights for the slide channel. And you can have multiple channel. When you publish a new presentation, it will send email to all the followers of the channel, and you can become follower from, say, presentation. From here, if you say subscribe, you become a follower of of this channel. So when there is something new in the employee channel, you will get an email, something like this. uh, then you can manage the access right, like follower notes. Okay, it's okay. So this is all about the channel. Let me show you how you can embed the last option. So let's go to any presentation. Let's say this one, and I would like to embed. Let's copy the code, come to the front page, and here I would like to embed the presentation. So I need to change the content as an admin, say logout, login, admin, it's correct. So I log in. Let's say customize, edit HTML things, and I will add content here. Say save. And now I should see the embed page. You see, so you can apply CSS and other things on that, and then you can say something like this. Say save. So customize HTML edit, and I will paste the embed things where let's say here. I think it's good. No, it should be in the container. It's okay. I hope you understand. The last thing which is remain is to allow download or not, that you can configure. Say it's a configuration on each slide, I think, where you can jump to slide from say presentation channel, actual presentation, and I think from here customize you can configure that allow download or not. No, then maybe okay. It's on the slide, and the comparison is edit, tag, link, document, website, content, download, website. It should be somewhere here. I don't remember. Public, which is channel, category, document. No, I don't remember where we have configuration for allow download or not. I forget it. I completely forget it. So this is all about the slides. Let's jump to the next topic, which is forum. That how you can organize your question answer or discussion groups within the website. It's a small module but really useful. So in order to activate forum, let's go to apps and forum. Say install the forum. And it will install a small module which help us to publish the question answer or open source QA forum to our website, where we can have a content management. We can ask a different type of question, link, or discussion. To encourage the users, we have a gamification, the point system, like who has more point, they have more rights to manage the forum content. And I will show you how we can create automatic documentation based on the forums, and it's really helpful to get more traffic to our website. Even if you search on the Google, like say for example how to configure Odoo in Ubuntu, I think you will get the first thing, which is forum. You see, so documentation, you see, and then rest of everything comes. You have multiple options, and so this is how it helps you to make the optimization of the SEO. The ultimate goal is to redirect all the traffic which is looking for content relevant to you. It should come to your website, either it's a page or blog or news or slides, presentations, or forum or anything, which is nothing but the core marketing activity for the modern companies. So let's say once the forum is installed, Either you can use by administrator or as a regular user. Let's use by the regular user, because I would like to show you that due to the forum is the really good application, does a quick SEO optimization, it may possible that people try to make a junk content on your forum. For end user, there is a process to get the sign up. So they will get a welcome message like this. They can start with the introduction or start with the registration, just to verify that they are the correct user or not. So once they are correct user, demo, demo, so it's installed. Let's go to website, forum, and now you can see that congratulations, you received a badge, received biography. But say for example, if you are new user, it will ask you for the sign up. It will verify your email address. It sends the automatic email address, and once you verify, it will start the actual actual verification process, and then you can post a question and answer question and anything. So once you registered as a verified user, you can ask a question, or you can ask let's say submit a link or start a new discussion. So let's go to admin, say ask a question, and here you get beautiful things like editor, where you can put a message question very quickly, and description of the questions. How can I install Odoo on Mac OS? And let me put the same. I tried many ways, but not able to install correctly. And you can put the text like say installation Odoo Mac and post your question. You see, you post the questions. Now you can, it will promote you. It will encourage you to share your question on the social media, so that it gets viral and people come here to answer your questions. Let's say demo answer our question. So let's reload the page to have the question visible on website. So here you have a question. You say okay, you can do just follow below, follow the below instruction, and say post answer. And once someone posts answer, you can notify by email if you are subscribed to the forum user. So even you can subscribe to a single question, or you can subscribe to all the questions of the forum. It depends on your interest. Let's reload and we can see the answer here. So you see, if you're satisfied with the answer, you can say yes, it's a right answer. So previously demo is having a 20 karma, which is pearl. Now it should increase the karma, or maybe no, because it's a periodic process, it's a cron job process. It's real time. Some karma it's increased after the periodic process, huh? Some are not real time. So you see that one answer gets upward, and that's why its karma is increased. Even you can check the words and activities that where it gets upward, badges, then questions he follow, questions he has asked, like admin. He has asked many questions. See, he has asked many questions. Even he has marked one question as upward. He has given answer. Following 5 questions, badge he received, words he didn't get yet, activities. So like this, you can encourage a user to to interact in the forum efficiently. You can have all the badges which is issued to the people. You can have tags. You can filter all the questions by tags, like say action. You can put say all the actions, or let's say O, which is Odoo, or let's say all. So let's say Odoo. I would like to fetch all the questions which having a text Odoo. Then you can say all the newest, trending, having a lot of discussion on the questions which is trending. So this is how you can configure the good application, which is a forum. If there is a link, it looks like this, huh? You can say click on this and it will directly jump to when you click here, it's redirect you to the external link, which is odoo.com. So this is how you can configure your external communication with your customer or user or community by activating the forum on this. Once you have enough questions, answers, you can create the documentation on the fly just by installing one module, which is say I will install one module and then we will finish the session. The last thing which is remain survey we will see by tomorrow. So let's install the module which is called document, which is a website document, I think. Yes, documentation, forum documentation, where you can create a documentation from the forum question answer quickly. So let's go to this. So website admin, I guess forum post, and where is documentation? Okay, I think it's on the website. So here you have a documentation which is completely a new menu, forum how to. So here you can see that there are a lot of groups and sections. Let's go to forum, and the one answer which I get correct, I would like to make it document. Say how to install Odoo on Mac. Let's say from where you can do, I think it's from the backend. Huh? Let's go to backend. It's a website admin. Yes. And forum. Yes. Now you have a question. So tree and documentation post. So you see that CMS this post. I would like to have this post to mark as documentation. So let's say it's answer or question. It's answer. So let's say help, and I will say in I will create new section, installation, and I will put under the forum help table of content, which is a functional documentation. Save, and I hope that it links to documentation post here, and by default it's idea, but you can say I reviewed and it's published. So once I go to say documentation, I will say it's published on the documentation. So you see that how quickly you can create documentation from the QA section available. So you see that one easy installation, how I can install, and it's there. You see, it's automatically create the question answer based on the forum question answer available on your forum. So this is all about the forum. It's a very simple and good application. Gamification help to motivate the users to earn more karma to get more access on the forum, because if you look at here, uh, go to forum, and from here you can see read guidelines. You can read here that you can earn karma for what. So if you have more karma, you can have more responsibility, and you can perform even better operations on the forum. Like 1000 karma is required to delete any question. So if you find some question which is say junk discussion, you can delete the question, but in order to delete you require 100 karma, right? So this is how the forum and documentation works. We'll see in tomorrow's session. I will start with the survey, and then we will move forward to the next point, which is point of sale. Once the FedEx is available, I will check because till the service is not available, it's having the problem to get the price. Once it starts working, I will show you the demonstration of the FedEx. It's okay. So say goodbye, and see you tomorrow for the point of sale session.